Hello Shen, welcome back to Tomato Blues. This is my cooking channel or my recipe channel where I try and share simple recipes, simple meal combinations, healthy recipes and so on and so forth. In case you have not subscribed to my channel, yes, I'm going to be like any other YouTuber and I'm going to tell you, please hit the subscribe button and the like button on this video. So coming to today's recipe, this is a very delicious and at the same time healthy, slightly protein rich makhana curry. For this I'm going to be using a creamy nut and seed paste which has cashews, hemp hearts, sunflower seeds and pepitas or pumpkin seeds. I soaked all of this in water and then I'm grinding it to a creamy paste. And then we begin off by roasting our makhana on very low heat until it turns crunchy. Once the makhana is done, we are going to make our gravy base. This involves splattering some whole spices in oil and then adding some onions along with some ground spices like red chili powder, turmeric powder and coriander powder. Of course, this ginger garlic paste for some flavor, depth and oomph. Along with all this, we will be adding some tomato paste instead of regular chopped tomatoes. Tomato paste of late is my favorite ingredient in my pantry. I simply love the color, the flavor and the aroma it lends to any particular dish that you use it with. Use it in. Yeah, sometimes my English grammar is totally above the roof. So yes, once we make this particular gravy base, we add the ground nuts and seeds mixture along with the roasted makhana and we bring it to a beautiful simmer. We wait until the fat begins to separate and comes to the surface of the gravy, and that's about it. This super duper easy healthy makhana curry is ready. In case you don't have makhana, you can always use mixed vegetables in its place. You can also do tofu, you can also do paneer, you can just do mushrooms also. Pretty much versatile. I like to think of this gravy base as a master gravy base, and I also tend to freeze this sometimes when I make some excess, and I tend to use it in combination with other vegetables like I just said. I will not recommend this to be frozen, you cannot freeze this makhana curry because the texture changes drastically. However, you can choose to freeze the gravy base alone separately and then you can thaw it and add the roasted makhana at a later stage. Another thing that I wanted to tell over here is that yes, this is completely plant-based and vegan, so I'm using soy cream to bring about some richness in this curry. But in case you don't have access to soy cream, you can also use regular cream or you can just skip this part. That's about it. You can see how beautifully creamy, thick and indulgent this particular makhana curry is. We enjoyed it with some chapatis, but you can also do jeera rice or pulav. I hope you enjoyed this. Catch you in another video. Bye.